Welcome to the Startup Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, the host of the show, where we talk about raising funding for your startup and the time it takes to have an espresso. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. Investors also use metrics. Here's a list of key metrics investors focus on. Annual recurring revenue growth. The overall growth rate of the revenue is a key factor. Month-over-month growth demonstrates product market fit. Magic number shows how sales and marketing spend drives revenue. Calculate, take this quarter revenue minus last quarter revenue and multiply by 4, divide by the sales and marketing costs. Investors want to see an equal return of revenue for every dollar spent on sales and marketing. Gross margins shows operational efficiency of the business. Most SaaS companies have a gross margin between 60 and 70%. Return on investment shows how much the investment can return. Investors seek a high potential return by looking for a large market with acquisitions in the high multiples based on revenue. In essence, the investor looks for evidence of growth and efficiency in sales and operations and a return on investment. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start something today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early-stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.